Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm opening my Fab Fit Fun Box. So I have ordered a few add-ons, so it comes in a cardboard box first, which ensures the quality of my Fab Fit Fun Box is in perfect condition and I can reuse it for future Happy Mail. Okay. The first thing in the box that's technically my add-on was actually my first choice and the main thing that I wanted in this box. Okay, I have a lot of intel for you guys about this item. So the choices for this hero item were the flat iron, the scarf, which you'll see is in my box. You also could have chosen between, originally they had offered a teeth whitening set and a yoga mat. Well, the teeth whitening set, they didn't really get into detail, but they didn't offer it. They had to cancel at the last minute, so they added in a mystery item. And if you're anything like me, you're like, what is the mystery item? And I really wanted to get the mystery item because I thought, this is the hero item of the box. It's gonna be a good mystery item. I've gotten the last two mystery items and they were okay, but I knew this one was gonna be good. At least I was hoping and I thought that it was. The truth is, I would have been happy with any of the mystery items that I've seen so far. They are Exfoliate, which is like an $85 value. Products from Murad or Grown Alchemist, which are my favorite lines. Like those three probably are my top skincare choices. They wouldn't let you add the mystery item if you were adding any of the other items from that category. So I wanted 2 items from that category. And I mainly wanted this. Now this is a really good deal. This is like an $80 to $90 straightener. Ooh, and it comes in a really velvety case. Now, this case is gonna be a lifesaver because when I go to the gym, I have put my flat iron into the bag and I have running shoes with melted marks on the toes because the flat iron was still hot when I put it in my bag. So now I will have a chance to have a case for it, so the carrying case can ensure that it's not touching or melting any of my other things. So technically this was an add-on because it was one of the things that I added on to my order because I ordered the $15 extra choice. The reason why I did that was because I had a $15 credit. So I thought, well, I will get both of the things that I wanted. I'll just give you a quick, speaking of Murad, this is something that I found to be a really good product, Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. Fantastic. If you have like a little blemish that shows up and you just want to do a quick like over the night, sort of, it really dries it out, it works fantastic. And these are pretty expensive. I think it was, maybe $9 or something in the add-ons. And Glow Serum. This is a highlighting serum. So I've never tried anything like that. I don't know what to expect. It just looked kind of fun and cute. And what else is in here? Oh, Mint Mobile. I'm not 100% sure what this bonus was, and it's something for the US, so I might send it to one of my friends who lives in the States. Let's get this out of here. I've got a couple more little items in the bottom of the box. Okay. Wow, this is tiny. I thought it's always handy to have an extra pair of tweezers. And these are called, oh my gosh, they're so small. I was not expecting them to be this tiny. They're called $1 billion brows. Sorry, not a million, a billion. $1 billion brows. And this is what the tips look like on those. They were $5. This was one of the add-ons that I had in my cart that I noticed were sold out and remained sold out. Like, it was a hard thing to find. Quite often you'll see things coming in and out of stock, but there's the few things that must be really good quality products or, you know, a really good price to try something. So for $5, I thought it's handy to have an extra pair of tweezers, even if you wanted to just like throw it in your purse in case you get a sliver or something. And then this was a blush serum. Honestly, don't know what I was thinking when I ordered these. I've never used like a liquid type blush before. Whatever, we'll give it a try. They were $5. Okay, now it's time to get into the box. So I was telling you about the drama with the hero item of the box. Now this straightening iron, if you ordered it, I hope you got it, because I've heard people in the forum saying they ordered it and then they were told it was out of stock. I just got an email from Fab Fit Fun on a different one of my accounts inviting me to come back. I had both an American account and a Canadian account, and on my Canadian account they've been asking me to come back, not knowing that I'm subscribing and sending to my US address. So anyway, they're like, Tony, come back. The yoga mats are #1 most popular hero item of the box, whatever, I'm paraphrasing. But basically, they're trying to encourage people to order the yoga mat. Okay, Fab Fit Fun, I'm on to you. The yoga mat was not a popular item. Sure, some people were happy to have it, and that's great. But this was the most popular item. That's why it's sold out, and that's why you can't fulfill the number of orders that you already have. So you're not fooling me. And they don't want you to order the mystery item because that wasn't planned for. They had to replace and add another choice with the box, I guess, to replace the teeth whitening set that failed. So they're going through some struggles. They said that they're restructuring or they're doing some new things, but they've said that quite a long time. I've been a member with Fab Fit Fun for years and I love them. They have their issues, but honestly, they're good. I haven't had trouble with them. I do feel bad for some people who have had some issues with their customer service lately. Customer service has been amazing for me. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh. Okay, so this is what the box looks like when it comes all, yeah, inside. Okay, where to start? Wonder and Beauty. I didn't love anything in this choice, but like in the category, this I've heard good reviews about. I like that they are something small and easy to ship. If I wanted to send a little spa package, which I've done before, or a little gift, with my 31 business, I have ordered already. I've ordered some Christmas presents, and I'm sending off some makeup bags, and I thought this is perfect. If I wanted to get some little fun things to add into the makeup bag, these are a perfect flat fun item to give a try to. I suspect these might be the unsung hero of the box. That's nice. I've heard so many people rave about these Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes, saying that they really didn't know what to expect with them. They're kind of squishy. You take them into the shower. People have said that these absolutely can exfoliate your entire body, head to toe, with just this one cube. It doesn't dissolve like you think it would. It makes your skin really soft, and it does a really good job. So I think that this is a really nice smelling, very sort of tropical, fruity sort of smell. I think I'll really enjoy these. This is something that if it had been a choice, I would have chosen this. It's a cute package. It looks and smells yummy. Okay, do you know what that reference is from? There's a movie with Cameron Diaz where she goes, anyway, that this smells so yummy. I bet you people are like, I wish you could eat these. Okay, comment down below if you know what movie I'm referencing there. Next in the box is something else I've been curious to see what it smells like, and this is the Human+kind Body Souffle. Body Souffle. And let's, can I open it this way? No. Well, let's try some. So I haven't mentioned, if you don't already know, I'm assuming you do, these are quarterly boxes. They ship every season. I can't believe this is the fall box. I can't believe that it's fall, and I can't believe that we've already got the fall box. when it's technically still summer. Very light scent. I've heard people say that it smells sort of citrusy. I just sort of smell like a clean sort of smell to that one. I really do like fruity scents on things. Anything that's edible. Could be cinnamon or vanilla or chocolate. That's the kind of scents that I enjoy in products. It's why I love the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, because it's got a really yummy scent. Okay, also in the box are the Aveda Damage Ready Daily Hair Repair. Aveda's a good brand name. Looking forward to trying that. I ordered in this Pure C Cosmetics crystals, and they said that you're supposed to add them into your favorite skincare regimen. So you basically mix them in. It's like a powdery sort of crystal. The reason why I chose this, if you can believe, this tiny little box, jar, whatever you want to call this container, is like over $50. And the reason why I ordered it was because I one time watched, I think it was like a documentary with a dermatologist talking about skincare, and they said one of the things that hands down guaranteed is your best sort of product in skincare, anti-aging sort of uses. She said don't be fooled by all the hype, and there's so many things out there. Vitamin C is like one of the top ones. So I thought there must be a reason why they are putting it in a container as opposed to a product where it's directly in there. I'm assuming that it must oxidize or lose some of its beneficial properties when it's already pre-mixed. So if you mix it fresh, maybe it works better. A fun thing to try in the box, worth giving a try to. And this I'm also interested in trying out. I didn't know what else to pick from that box. When I can, I typically choose things that are brand name and often like beauty products, because I find it's a good discovery box. If I want just like a cheese board or hair towel or something, I'll just usually, unless it's something I absolutely want, I'll usually just go to a store where I can see the quality and I can see the size and the dimension, so that I know what it is that I'm getting. But with something like this, this is just a new beauty product to try, and it's supposed to be detoxifying for your pores, to do a good job to clean them out. This is one thing that I find we never have enough of, and it's a salt and pepper shaker. So we have two separate units right now, and they're never in the right place. I'd love to have one sort of on my table at all times, and another one in the kitchen area where I do the actual cooking. This way, I'm not always searching and hunting for them. So I do enjoy freshly ground pepper and the rock salt, and it's nice to have an extra one of these. So I'm gonna fill this up. And then it also would allow you to have different types of salts. So you could do like a Himalayan rock salt, which is supposed to have good health benefits, as opposed to the iodized table salt that you get. So excited to give this a try. I hope it works as well as expected. And then the last thing in the box is the Plush Scarf. So here in Canada, we will definitely get a lot of use out of our winter clothing, but actually I know this is a fall box, and I'm just now realizing that this scarf is not actually something that I might wear in winter. This might be more of a sort of fashion statement slash looking at the size of it here, sort of cozy feeling sort of piece. It might not be the type of scarf that you could wear year round, because it's pretty light actually. It feels like it's good quality. I've heard people rave about how soft it is, and it's just typical. It's not like, oh my god, the softest thing I've ever felt. It's nice. It feels good quality. It feels it feels very comfortable. I definitely will be happy to wear this fall and honestly it's getting cooler here already, so I can't believe it, but I might actually start wearing it within the next week or two. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I started to say $50 a month for, sorry, $50 a season for the Fab Fit Fun Box. You always get at least $200, usually closer to $300 or $400 worth of stuff, depending on which items you choose in the box. And it's a really fun surprise, although scratch that, nothing is a surprise in the box anymore. There's so many spoilers, there's so many pre-recorded videos from either FabFitFun affiliates or partners or people just unboxing like me, so you pretty much never are surprised at what's coming in the box, especially now that they have so many options to customize. So these are all the things that I chose. I will link a coupon down in the description box if you're interested in getting your own first time Fab Fit Fun Box. You can get $10 off your first box, and yeah, free shipping in the US. If you want to ship it to Canada, I believe it was $8 when I used to get it shipped to Canada. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.